If you're a business owner or an entrepreneur and you want to use video to increase your sales, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 different examples of videos you can use to increase your sales. Let's dive into the content right now. Let's move on to videos that can increase sales. So obviously product videos. Here's an interesting stat. 72% of people would rather learn about a product with a video rather than via copy. So product videos are super powerful, and there's lots of stats demonstrating that a lot of people will, it's what do we do? We're looking for something on to buy on Amazon or wherever the other places are available, obviously. What do we all do? We look at the product, that's great. We then immediately look at reviews, product reviews, don't we? And we'll look for product videos, people demonstrating them or talking about how good they are or bad or whatever. These videos are super, super popular on things like YouTube, but they are so powerful, and they are, if someone's looking for a widget, and there are lots of people that sell the widgets, if you're creating really well optimized videos and you happen to be the video that they end up landing on and watching, and then you're the video that tips them off the fence and they decide to buy, and then that links there and it links to your store, then you've got that sale. So they are really, really powerful tools. How-to videos as well. These are really, really great. Problem-solving videos that build rapport and trust with your audience. That's the thing. None of these videos need to be selly. In fact, I would argue that the days of sort of hardcore sales, kind of double glazing, salesy, hitting people over the head with a product, even if they don't need it, those are long gone. It's all about actually listening to what the audience wants. Now, figuratively listening now can be done by the fact that we have access to the data, because like I said before, people are typing in their issues, they're asking questions. So we're already, as business owners, we know what we need to do. We know how we can solve, we know that we can help these particular people out. So we don't need to be running around the room of people that really aren't interested in what we're doing. We can target the relevant people with our relevant video content, before we get too far down the buyer's journey. So these are great. These how-to videos are great for demonstrating your expertise as well. And that's another thing. That's another differentiation between you and someone else. It's a cue for the people watching to go, okay, yeah, they really seem to know what they're doing. That's incredibly powerful again. And it's all about the touch points. And actually, people aren't going to be converted after watching one video. Very, 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 very seldom do they. The average amount of video, or the average amount, I should say, of content that people come into contact with before they make a purchasing decision is a minimum of 7. So, if you are, and that's the whole point with that funnel, you need to be sort of coming into contact with someone a minimum of 7 times before they start considering, whether or not to buy from you. So that's the kind of orders of magnitude of content you're talking about. And that's why you need to start thinking in terms of, really, I would say, you need to start thinking in terms of that funnel kind of structure, making sure that you've got videos that are in the awareness stage, the consideration stage, and the decision stage as well. Listen, I really hope you're getting loads of value from this video. If you are, please press the like button, and also think about subscribing to the channel for more content just like this. But I want to know from you, let me know in the comments below, what are the issues you're coming across on your video making journey? What are the roadblocks to your progress? Please do let me know in the comments below so I can create content that will help you on your way. Let's get back to the content. The other, this is I'm an old whatever, so I don't understand these, and I'm sure there's lots of you that don't either. You scratch your head going, it's baffling. Unboxing videos, people literally unwrapping stuff on camera. You know what I mean? Have they not heard of Netflix? Anyway, but these are incredibly popular, like ridiculously popular videos. A couple of the top channels on YouTube literally are unboxing channels. It's incredible. So here we are, look, 90,000 people are searching for, are typing unboxing into YouTube every single month, 90,000. So why is that relevant? Well, imagine if you create a video, you've got a product video, for example, or you create, you know, you create products of some sort, which you then ship to people. Rather than just doing a product video where the product's kind of in isolation almost on a desk or whatever, how about doing one where you demonstrate the theatre of how it's delivered? You know, if you're doing, I don't know, if it's something that you gift wrap or whatever it is, you know, it's all about that experience. And honestly, if you do some videos like that, obviously they need to be relevant to what you're doing. But if you do, you know, sell products and you wrap them up nicely, then why on earth would you not do unboxing videos? I'd be absolutely on that, like a ton of bricks. I really would. It really taps into the experience of receiving the product. And actually, I think the reason unboxing videos are so kind of popular is because it really taps into that thing of what it's like to receive a gift, you know, at Christmas or a birthday and things like that. You know, companies like Apple do it so well. The design, there's so much time and effort put in by people like Apple, companies like them, into how their products are presented. It's almost a theatre that goes on with it. Now, I'm sure there's lots of other companies, and you know, there are some great sort of small businesses that do present their stuff incredibly well. If you're one of them, I would absolutely be doing unboxing videos, because I think that, you know, your product name with an unboxing or whatever it is, you know, if people are typing unboxing in 90,000 times a month, you know, I would want to be on, you know, on that particular gravy train right now, I think. I really hope you got loads of value from that video. If you did, please press the like button. And if you're interested in content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Press the subscribe button and obviously the little notification bell too. Our YouTube channel is all about empowering business owners and entrepreneurs like you to get the very most you can out of video marketing. So definitely click on the following video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.